Wildlife bird scientist, Fuad Lazais. Wonderful. Beautiful and scary owl looks at the same time. The security forces are in complete darkness and cannot see under the sunlight. These water ducks carry all the chicks on their backs. These owl chicks came out of the nest. Form new on, the difficulties of life begin for the birds. The chicks must rely on themselves, search for lunch, and are bound to hunt now. Riding water ducks is beautiful. Chicks ride long distances on their mother's back. He is allowed to stand on his head as a janitor only. Crocodile Island. There is no place where there is no crocodile.